It's around 4 in the morning. I have already fitted my Rhinox tank bag and Hawk tail bag on my beast, so I'm ready to start up my epic ride from Gurgaon DLF Phase 3. I was supposed to leave at 2 o'clock, but due to dense fog, I delayed for a couple of hours.
Clouds roll
So I'm in Greater Noida after a ride of 65 kilometers. Now I am moving towards Agra via Yamuna Express Highway. Have entered Yamuna Express Highway after passing the toll plaza by paying of rupees 205, which will cover next to toll plaza also. Weather is still foggy and temperature is around 4 degree, but I'm not feeling cold that much because of my Rhinox 8GT jacket, and I must say the thermal liner is too warm and also suitable for this kind of temperature. Fog is getting more dense, but Yamuna Express Highway is very awesome, having 4 lanes, which is making me feel more excited. Now the race is begun. The density of fog is increased, I'm unable to see anything. So I'm following that car, which back hazards are quite visible because it's very difficult to see the road and I have to maintain the speed of 100 kmph at least. It's bit difficult, but getting a new experience also.
you like a
Hey guys, this is the last toll plaza of Yamuna Express Highway. From here I'll be moving towards Itawa by taking NH19. I've already covered 230 kilometers from Gurgaon, out of which 170 kilometers is on Yamuna Express Highway from Greater Noida. Now I'm taking NH19 towards Itawa, which is 110 kilometers approx from here. After having tea and snacks break, now I'm moving towards Kanpur, which is approx 130 kilometers from here. Now the tank is full. It's my second refueling after covering of 560 km from Gurgaon. Now I'm moving towards Varanasi, which is approx 250 kilometers from here. Hey guys, I'm in Varanasi now. After covering of 800 kilometers from my place, the view is awesome. I could have stayed a while to capture some peak, but due to low light I can't. And also I have to cover 700 kilometers more, in which I have to cover Bihar, Jharkhand, and then I'll be reaching at West Bengal. It's almost 6 in the evening. Have entered Bihar and done 1000 kilometers from Gurgaon. From here, Aurangabad is just 20 kilometers and Kolkata is more than 500 kilometers. So after a while, my night ride will start. Well, at night I have to cross Aurangabad, Dhanbad, and then I'll be entering West Bengal. In West Bengal, I have to crossing Asansol, Shaktigarh, and Durgapur. Then go to Kolkata. If all okay, then I'll be reaching Durgapur late night.
Comes and goes.
It's 4 in the morning of 5th Jan 2017. Finally, I reached Kolkata. Feeling so tired. I'm exhausted, but quite excited also. Now I'm going to Howrah Bridge. Here the Howrah Bridge is. Just look at the view, guys. I must say the night view is awesome. It's totally different. During the daytime out here, it's very crowded with busy traffic, and trust me, guys, it's looking fab. Don't know my SD cam is doing truly justice or not, but it's awesome. Now I gonna be a small tour of Kolkata before going home. Now I'm in front of Eden Garden. See the peak of Kapil Vaji when India won the first Cricket World Cup. So now I'm in front of Prinsep Ghat. It's looking fab at night. Out here I have taken one of the best photo at night. After taking some photos, now I'm in Park Street. You can see it's fully decorated for the eve of Christmas and New Year. Now I'm going from Hooghly Bridge. It's also decorated for the eve of New Year. So nice to see it at night. Generally people enters Kolkata from here, but I'm leaving. Now I'm going towards my hometown, Panchkuda, which is 90 kilometers from here. So I gonna be take NH16 after crossing Alampur flyover. So last 20 minutes to go. In NH16 I met two fellow riders, Shubham and Eric. They are going to Orissa and they will join me till Machogram bypass.